Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do these. I'm calling these passion bob locks, and I just want to show you guys how I achieve this super cute and simple lightweight bob hairstyle. So if you're interested to see how I achieve it, then just keep on watching. For this look, we're going to need 3 packs of the 12-inch Lulu Tress water wave hair. This is the hair people normally use for passion twists, but we're going to be using it for these locks. And I only use 3 packs because I do the parting pretty large. I like the way that look is, and it takes me less time. I like to use this Expression spring twist hair because it's already pre-fluffed. And I only needed 2 packs of this right here. In addition, we're going to need some edge control, a crochet hook, a comb, and 2 clips or a couple clips, and some rubber bands. I don't have them here, but we're going to need those as well. We need to start out the style with freshly washed and blow dried hair. And like I said, I did do my parts pretty large, just because I feel like the locks look better when you're not doing small parts, because then it's going to look too bulky. So I definitely recommend the larger parts. I'm just going to braid down my real hair. And then since my hair is too long for the length that I want, I'm just going to fold up my ends. You can crochet it through and make it shorter, and then I also secure it with a rubber band. So I'm going to start with 1 piece of passion twist hair, and I'm going to crochet it not at the root but a little bit lower. This is so the root doesn't appear to be bulky or anything. So I'm going to put that one a little bit lower than the root and then fluff it out. I'm going to take about this much spring twist hair, and I'm going to crochet that directly through the roots. I'm going to take the small end of the spring twist hair and hold it against the base of the braid in the passion twist hair, and I'm going to take the long piece of spring twist hair and I'm going to wrap down. When I'm done wrapping the lock, I do like to secure the end with a rubber band. This to me just gives like a starter lock look. Like it makes it look more realistic, especially when I cut the ends. This time I kind of want to show you from a different perspective. This is the next day. So I'm also going to be adding in some human hair. So I just want to show you the difference with that. So I'm going to take a section of hair and braid it up like I did before. I'm going to crochet my real hair so it is the proper length, and I'm just going to secure that with a rubber band as well. I'm going to crochet the passion twist hair a little bit below the root like we did at first, and then fluff it out. This is some human hair I had left over from my island locks, so I'm going to take a chunk out and I'm going to crochet that directly through the root. I'm going to take the short piece and leave it against the base, and I'm going to take the long piece and clip it aside. I'm going to take about this much spring twist hair and I'm going to crochet that directly through the root as well. I'm going to keep the short side, the short end up against the base, and I'm going to wrap around all the way till I get to the length that I need to, match the other locks and keep the bob length. So I'm going to secure it with a rubber band, and then you see how the passion twist hair or the water wave hair sticks out the bottom. I'm just going to cut that, and leave like a unfinished end, and then you can remove the clip from the human hair and see how it just comes down out of the top of the lock. I'm going to show you one last time with my last lock. I'm going to make sure that it's the proper length for the lock look. I'm going to crochet the passion twist hair a little bit below the roots and then fluff it out. I'm going to crochet the human hair directly on through the root of the braid, leaving the long piece clipped to the side and the short piece up on the base of the lock. I'm going to take the spring twist hair and put that directly through the root. I'm going to keep the shorter end of the spring twist hair on the base of the lock and start wrapping around all the way till I get to the proper length for the bob look. I'm going to secure the end with a rubber band and then cut the end of the lock, showing the passion twist hair at the end for a unfinished, kind of rough look that I was going for. And that is it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.